Introducing the new LuvLap manual breast pump. If you are a nursing mom, you already know breast milk is the best for your baby. The breast pump makes it much easier and faster and helps with better milk flow. It is a great alternative to feed your baby with your own breast milk even when you are away. Wash and sterilize all the components before use. Here is how we assemble the manual breast pump. Attach the duckbill valve to the pump body and then attach the milk container to the bottom of the pump body. Assemble the diaphragm and the massage cushion to the pump body and check whether they are fitting snugly. Attach the handle to the diaphragm and make sure the handle is locked. Position the breast shield against your breast, ensuring that your nipple is centered and the massage cushion creates a firm seal. Keeping the pump in position, press the handle down with one hand to pump and express milk. The LuvLap manual breast pump provides the mothers with a more comfortable expressing position, which doesn't involve any need to lean forward for easier milk flow. The soft silicone massage cushion helps gentle stimulation and mimics the baby's suckling, which helps in better milk flow. Use the dust cap for keeping the massage cushion contamination-free. All parts are made of BPA-free material, making it completely safe for your baby. The ergonomic shape allows better grip and pumping with one hand. You can store all the components in the travel-friendly pouch provided. The LuvLap manual breast pump is sure to help you breastfeed your baby conveniently, comfortably, and for a longer period of time. LuvLap, India's leading baby product brand.